You people must work with the determinations, and all other peoples, you must teach them to work with the determinations. If I go sometime even in the Ministry of Defense, I will not find even some commanders there in their offices. I know this. I've been telephoning several times, checking with them, I can't find. If I found you not to attend cabinet 3 times without reason, you are out of government. You must tell our women in Uganda to work very hard. You must not make the women of Uganda very weak. They must get up quickly in the morning at about 5 o'clock. They are ready in Nakasero, preparing, ready to sell vegetable and everything in the shop. The duty of the woman is the house woman. He knows how to keep house very well. If he can do that, let me make first examination, appoint women to be the managers of hotel. If he is well educated, he has got that brain, he is determined, he can look after the hotel very well. I want to see a woman, international hotel, very big one. Must be woman Ugandans, and I know they can do it. And you as a minister, you must back them completely. If you find any man trying to not to obey the order and everything, you can punish that person. We are thinking we are the first now country in Africa today who have got many women managers than other countries. We have got how many manager women? We have got 4 managers, and we have got another 2 assistant managers. But I wanted to tell the boxers that the only chance to defeat the referee who are against you or against the country is to win by knockout. This is the only thing. As a doctor, you must be very clean, very smart, behave very well like a person, and also you are not too drunk. You are the one who should advise the public. You should advise General Min not to drink. This is very important, because also to drink and overdrunk, it is not very good. You will not even enjoy more, because you will not even have sense. But if you drink very little, you feel very happy, very proud, and you talk to your people. That will be. I'm just advising you. Now you give us green light. Give us the time to. It's ready. Ready? Go. I won. Ready? Now you give us green light. Give us the time to. It's ready. Ready? Go.
La caravana.
Don't complain. You interfered. You interfered. You